What's up guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video we're actually starting off by loading up the trailer and everything. So I also mentioned that I was gonna end up selling selling Venom today, so that's what we're doing right now. I'm just stealing the steering wheel off from Gotham real quick. Don't tell my dad how long it's gonna take to pull that thing out of that tight little spot, so I'm gonna just set you guys up on a time lapse to try to get it on recording pulling it out. So don't time lapse it. I need the footage, man. I'm about to sit here for 40 minutes of freaking pulling out a...
For whatever reason, I can't put music in my videos, so time lapses are out.
Oh man.
What's that D-box?
We need to get on making beats. Make our own beats. Alrighty guys, we got this thing loaded up, all cleaned up, and we switched out the rear wheels because the rear wheels were my dad's, so we took the ones off of the DA, which the DB, which is fine because honestly I'm gonna end up switching out the wheels anyways on the whole car, so I'm okay with throwing some Steelies on here just so my dad can keep his. We put the wheels on here for now. That size will never be it. But yeah, so we're basically ready to go. We got like a 20-minute drive to go drop it off, and yeah. I recorded a clip. I was like, I'm still my dad's steering wheel, don't tell him. We got the car delivered. The person bought it, which is perfect. Currently it is Thanksgiving, so we ended up going out to Thanksgiving dinner and stuff like that. Well, it was like more like Thanksgiving lunch. So now we're just now I'm just heading back home, and oh, my fault. It was actually like Thanksgiving lunch, so now we're just heading back home so we could start working on pressure washing the engine bay of the Integra. I need some more footage for today's video, so I was just like, screw it, I just need to go and do something else. So tomorrow morning we're actually gonna be running to the junkyard, so I'm gonna end up making a video out of that. I'm not 100% sure if it's gonna be in this video or if it's gonna be tomorrow's video, but we're gonna run to the junkyard and see if there's any cool grabs or finds or anything like that. Hopefully they have a DA or DB Integra, which I doubt they'll have a DB, but they'll probably have a DA or something that I can pick some parts off of. Alrighty guys, so I went through and hit it with this wheel, the scrubber, and also super clean. As you guys can tell, you can't really notice on that part, but in this part, that's all filthy. But it's definitely already looking better. I went through and scrubbed it all, so as soon as you guys see it, you guys are gonna notice the difference. Got stained, so I'm gonna have to go through and scrub this side again because I did that first, and then I have to go through with the smaller brush and brush everything. So I'll do a little pan of everything real quick so you guys can see it all. I better stop washing cars. People might think I'm copying them. Don't want that. Go ahead and wrap up today's video. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I'm glad that every single one of you guys decided to take out time of your day to watch my YouTube videos. That makes me feel special in some type of way. I appreciate you guys so freaking much. big shout out to every single one of you guys. I hope you guys had a great turkey day. I sure did. I had some good food, so I'm pretty happy about that. If anybody knows me, I love some food. If you're from a different country or anything like that and you guys have some food you guys want me to try, swear I say send it to the P.O. box. I'll most definitely do a video of just trying some cool out of country foods and stuff like that. That'd be so cool. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Comment of the day is, what's your favorite food? Screw it. All right, peace out. I forgot to mention, this is actually officially the first week that I recorded a video every single day. So go ahead and throw in the comments as well if you guys like to see Saturday and Sunday videos. If I'm able to possibly do it, of course I'm going to try, and of course I'm going to do it, but just depends on how much money I have to spend on making content for this thing. Pretty sure I'm going to record a video of doing the brakes and full oil change and everything like that on the Colorado. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see that. Good night, car.